In this video, we're going to talk about attachments. Now, any object you put on the board has control points. It's the same if it's a drill or drawn geometry or imported geometry. All have control points or vertices. Now, right-clicking on that control point and clicking Attach will allow you to attach to the edge of a board or to the center lines. Whether it's the horizontal or the vertical. Now, this is an anchoring attachment. It will essentially lock that piece in place on the board, give it a locked location. The other thing you can do is highlight two or more objects, and then you can attach between the two separate objects. You can attach horizontally as well as vertically. And once you have attached those objects, they then become linked. They move with each other. You can add more objects and continue to attach those, further linking objects together. As you can imagine, this becomes extremely useful when you're designing parts that need to fit together. With just one object, you can of course then go back and attach that, locating that onto the board. Everything will follow and stay in sync. Now, there are limitations to attachments. If you want to rotate an object, or you have a situation where changing a dimension could have more than one result, you can do these things simply by removing the attachment. You click on the attachment itself, the number, not the control point, but on the number, and then just click Remove Attachments. That'll free you up. You will need to do that to all objects if you are going to rotate, as these are horizontal and vertical, so they aren't going to work with a rotation. But you can go ahead and just simply remove those, and then go ahead and rotate the objects you wish to, and then reattach your attachments, locating your part where you wish it. Attachments are an incredibly powerful tool, and I hope this helps to explain them better.